Hey, what's up guys? This is Gavin with Echo Detailing. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean an engine bay so good you can eat off of it in just 5 easy steps. The 5 steps of detailing your engine bay are preparation, dry cleaning, rinse, detail, and dry and revive. To start off, you will need some supplies. The chemicals you are going to need are wheel and tire degreaser, black trim restorer, Gooby Gone, and quick detailer. For the tools, you will need an air gun, which is highly recommended, wheel brush, detail brush, toothbrush, microfiber applicator pad, heavy-duty paper towels, and microfiber towels, which you will want to be buying in bulk because you go through them quickly. To prep your engine bay, you will just need to take your battery out and cover the actual engine and distributor. This step is highly recommended to prevent potential damage that the water and chemicals can cause. Next, you will dry clean all the heavy gunk in your engine bay with a paper towel. This will prepare you for rinse and make the detail a lot easier. After dry cleaning, you will give your engine bay a quick rinse. You do not want to spray directly at the engine and you don't want to use high pressure. Our pressure washer is just using the natural flow of water to sprinkle the engine. Now, to detail your engine, I recommend to split the engine in half and start on one side first, and then hit the other side next, but always start with the hood so that you aren't messing up your detailed engine below. After detailing, check to see if you missed any spots. If so, repeat steps 3 and 4 until fully clean. The camera decided to cut out during the dry and revive process, but all you need to do is add some black trim restorer to your microfiber applicator pad or detailer brush and buff it into all the black plastics and rubber. Once you've finished, buff it off with a microfiber towel to bring out the final shine. And as simple as that, you have a detailed engine bay. Alright, now that you guys know how to safely detail your engine bay, go ahead and comment below what you guys would like to see next. Like and subscribe to see more detailing content.